BabyBus.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
Mommy Bird, calm down. Let me see what I can do.
Fire station, may I help you?
There's a fire in the woods. Many eggs are in the tree. Please save them.
Okay, we'll go right away. I'm a firefighter, turning the siren on. I'm a firefighter, driving my fire truck. I'm a firefighter, racing to save others.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
On my way.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
Arrived.
The firefighters are coming.
Boom, ba-boom, boom, boom, ba-boom. Boom, ba-boom, boom, boom, ba-boom. I'm a firefighter, holding a long hose. I'm a firefighter, riding on a ladder. I'm a firefighter, putting out the fire.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
Coming for you.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
Don't worry.
There's a fire in my house. Help me.
Okay, right away. I'm a firefighter, turning the siren on. I'm a firefighter, driving my fire truck. I'm a firefighter, racing to save others.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
On my way.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
Arrived.
The firefighters are coming.
Boom, ba-boom, boom, boom, ba-boom. Boom, ba-boom, boom, boom, ba-boom. I'm a firefighter, holding a long hose. I'm a firefighter, riding on a ladder. I'm a firefighter, putting out the fire.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
Coming for you.
Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter.
Don't worry. Boom, ba-boom, boom, boom, ba-boom. Boom, ba-boom, boom, boom, ba-boom.
Thank you for saving Mommy Bird's eggs. And thank you for saving me.
Oh, you're welcome. It's good to see you safe now.
They are imitating the firefighter.
Wow! fire helicopter.
Good morning, Kiki.
Good morning, Mew Mew.
What do we need to do today?
We need to patrol the street and see who needs our help.
Okay, let's go. I'm a little police officer.
With a police car, I help people. If you have trouble, come to me for help. Don't worry, I will keep everyone safe.
I'm a little police officer.
With a police car, I help people. If you have trouble, come to me for help. Don't worry, I will keep everyone safe.
Watch out! Stay there!
Take it easy. I'll pick up your ball.
Thank you.
Don't play with your ball by the street. It's so dangerous.
I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Oh, the soccer field is over there.
Huh?
You can play there. It's much safer.
Okay. We'd better keep patrolling.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm a little police officer. With a police car, I patrol the streets. Look, I see a child who got lost. Don't worry, I'll take you to your mom.
Get in the car. Let's go find your mom. Yes. I'm a little police officer.
With a police car, I help people. If you have trouble, come to me for help. Don't worry, I will keep everyone safe.
I'm a little police officer.
With a police car, I'll take you home.
Very soon we will be at your house.
It's alright, you are not back home again. Mimi! Mimi!
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Mimi!
Mommy!
Oh,
Mommy!
oh my baby!
Kiki Mew Mew, thank you for your help. You're welcome. By the way, why were you alone in the street?
I followed a beautiful butterfly. It flew so fast that I lost my way back home. Please remember, don't play alone outside your house. Okay, I got it. We've done our duty for today. Let's get back in our police car.
Okay. Kids, please ask a police officer for help whenever you're in trouble.
trouble. My house is on fire! Come help me!
Okay, right away!
The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O. Racing with the siren on. E-I-E-I-O. Make way on the left, make way on the right. Make way, I have to hurry. The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O.
The fire truck with a long hose. E-I-E-I-O. Hurrying to put out the fire. E-I-E-I-O. Spray water up here, spray water down there. Water up, water down, water everywhere. The fire truck with a long hose. E-I-E-I-O.
The forest is on fire! Many babies are in a tree! Please help them!
Okay, right away!
The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O.
Racing with the siren on. E-I-E-I-O.
Make way on the left,
Make way on the right.
make way, I have to hurry. The fire truck has a new mission. E-I-E-I-O. The fire truck with a ladder. E-I-E-I-O. Hurrying to save friends in danger. E-I-E-I-O. Checking things up here, checking things down there. Checking up, checking down, checking everywhere. The fire truck with a ladder. E-I-E-I-O. Hurry up, Mom. I want to buy some donuts and share them with Timmy.
Oh. Mimi, take it easy. We're almost there. Oh,
Mom, you're so slow. I'll wait for you across the street.
oh, Mimi, wait!
Huh?
Mimi, are you okay? Mimi, you just crossed on a red light. That's so dangerous.
Mimi, there are many cars running on the street.
Keep an eye on the traffic light when you cross the street. Traffic light? Follow me. Let's cross this street, oh my friends. E-I-E-I-O. Walk hand in hand with an adult. E-I-E-I-O. See the traffic light, the red light's on. Never go, never cross the street now. Stop at red and go at green. E-I-E-I-O. You may not go at the red light.
And you may go at the green light, but please be careful at all times. Let's cross this street, oh my friends. E-I-E-I-O. Walk hand in hand with an adult. E-I-E-I-O. See the traffic light, the green light's on. Check your left, check your right, no cars coming, go. Stop at red and go at green. E-I-E-I-O.
Let's cross this street, oh my friends. E-I-E-I-O.
Walk hand in hand with an adult. E-I-E-I-O. See the traffic light, the red light's on. Never go, never cross the street now.
Stop at red and go at green. E-I-E-I-O.
Let's cross this street, oh my friends. E-I-E-I-O. Walk hand in hand with an adult. E-I-E-I-O. See the traffic light, the green light's on. Check your left, check your right, no cars coming, go. Stop at red and go at green. E-I-E-I-O.
Always keep an eye on the traffic light and cross cross the street when no cars are coming.
I'll keep it in mind.
Hi, I'm Kiki, the leader of Kiki and Mew Mew Rescue Team. Whoever's in trouble, we'll be there to help. Oh. Be careful! Momo, I didn't know you could cook.
I have so many talents that you guys don't know about.
Let's eat now.
Okay, try the most delicious food in the world. Stir-fried carrots, carrot buns, carrot soup,
Deep fried carrots.
steamed carrots.
Huh? Emergency! We've got to go!
Don't go! You haven't eaten the food. Stay and finish it.
Kaka, what's the emergency?
Elephant, mammal, he has a long trunk, he's a firefighter, but he has some trouble while putting out a fire. He needs your help.
Kiki and Mew Mew Rescue Team, let's go!
Are you okay? Why is the rescue team not coming yet? The fire's getting bigger!
The rescue bus! You made it! Help me! I start coughing when I suck up the water!
Don't worry, we'll help you right now.
Let me take a closer look.
Thank you. Now my trunk will be fine.
Start analyzing. Results are in! His trunk is blocked!
Blocked? Oh, then I'll go inside his trunk and find out what's wrong. so dark in here. Wow. Where's the blockage? Even further? It's so deep, but I have to go further. Whoa! Whoa! Ha! Whoa! Whoa! Huh? Mew Mew, he's got some gum stuck in his trunk. Huh? The wind is so strong.
The gum is blocking his airway, so the elephant can't breathe well.
Aha! I'll handle it.
Mr. Elephant, what's wrong?
My trunk, it's so itchy. Achoo!
Kiki, how's it going?
Haha! Problem solved.
Wow, that feels better. Oh, thank you so much. Help! Is anyone there? Please help me.
Huh? Ah!
Help!
The sound is coming from under there. I'm gonna scan. It's Grandpa Turtle! We have to help him right now!
Huh? Ouch! Ouch! It hurts terribly.
Be careful! He might get hurt more. We can handle this.
Okay.
I need support from the headquarters. Kaka, we have another problem. We need Pilot Momo's help.
Copy that. Momo, we have a support request from Kiki. Please move out now.
Copy that. Here comes the flying Momo.
Move the sideboard! Grandpa Turtle's trapped underneath!
No problem. On it. Fly up. Up, up, up I go, flying even higher. Up, up, up I go. Woo-hoo. Oh no! I can't see clearly! Kiki, help Momo!
Momo! Steer to the left!
Okay!
What?
Come on! Watch out, Kiki!
Super speed!
Kiki, are you okay?
I'm okay. How's Grandpa Turtle? Ah!
Huh?
I feel dizzy. I just went to buy a bottle of soy sauce, then this happened.
Well, you're fine now.
Kiki and Meow Meow Rescue Team, thank you for saving me.
Thank you all, firefighters.
Oh, thank you. It's all thanks to your help.
And don't forget Momo.
Of course. Thank you.
Yeah.
Achoo!